Hey friends, welcome to my do-it-yourself corner on the internet. I'm Yaz, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own holiday memorial. Please stay tuned for all of the step-by-step directions you're going to need. This is a two-part tutorial. So the first part, we're going to be making the memorial, and then I made a second part just for the chair. So if you want to go ahead and watch the chair video first, then come back to this one and make the whole piece. So please stay tuned and thanks for watching. Start off by taking the back piece off of one of your dollar store wooden trays. So you can remove the backing pretty easily. I just used my X-Acto knife to take the back off. Then you're going to want to line them up and hot glue the backless tray to the other tray. So here we are. You just want to hot glue that real quick in there, get a nice bond. And after that, what you can do is grab your festive Christmas paper, and you're just going to want to cut it to size. I found the easiest way to do this is to kind of grab your paper and wrap it around your box, fold it where it needs to be cut, and then use your scissors to chop it. You can also grab your X-Acto knife, a cutting board, and a ruler if you want to make sure that your lines are super extra straight. Once you have all of your paper cut to size, what you're going to want to do is glue that paper to the inside of your box. Next up, you are going to want to grab your twine and your hot glue gun, and you are going to cover the inside edges of your box with the twine. So you just want to put a thin little line of glue on the edge and apply your twine. And what this step is going to do is it's going to cover up those rough edges of the paper. Next, we're going to decorate our mini Bottlebrush tree by hot gluing some of those little red beads as ornaments onto it. And of course, what's your Christmas tree without a little mini Christmas tree skirt to go with it? So I got some festive fabric and I cut it into a little circle. You can fold it in half to make sure that you get a nice and perfect circle. And after I cut it in a circle, I decided it needed a little more flair, so I cut these little ridges into it, as you can see in the video. Kind of like a little cloud shape. Once you're happy with your tree skirt shape, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to cut a slit into it so that your tree can fit around this bad boy. Just like, you know, a real life regular size tree skirt. There you go. You got a cute little tree skirt now for your mini tree. Now that the tree's done, we're going to work on the little sign that goes on the wall in your little holiday memorial. So you're going to want to measure around what size you're going to want your sign. I think mine was about 2 inches by 2 inches for this specific project, but of course if you're doing a larger box, you can do a larger sign. So it's important to measure and kind of figure out what size you're going to need. Once you have your paper cut, you can go ahead and write the poem down on your piece of paper. I will include the poem in the description below so you can copy that. Next up, we're going to make the little frame that goes around your poem. So I'm just cutting my bamboo stick to size. What you're going to want to do is place that bamboo stick right up against your paper, and then you can kind of measure and make your little markings so you will know where to cut. Once you have that frame measured out, you can go ahead and cut those pieces. Once your wood frame pieces are cut, you're going to want to double check to make sure that they're going to fit around your frame really nicely. And once you're happy with those pieces, what you're going to want to do is paint them. I painted mine brown, but of course feel free to use whatever color you like. A nice red frame would also look really nice to add a little pop of color, but it's totally up to you. After your wood pieces have dried, you're going to want to go ahead and glue them in place. So you can go ahead and grab that hot glue gun and just glue your wood pieces right onto that piece of paper. I just glued mine right onto the very edge. Now that all of your pieces are assembled, you can go ahead and glue them into place inside of your box. I started by gluing my rocking chair in place, and then I just glued the very bottom of my Bottlebrush tree in there. And next I put in the little poem back there. Now that the inside is all put together, we're going to finish up the outside of this memorial piece. So you're going to want to cut your festive paper to size and glue it to cover up the outside of your wood trays. And to give your piece a nice finish, you are going to want to take your nautical rope and hot glue gun it to the edge of the outside of your memorial piece. And there you have it, friends, your very own holiday memorial. If you love this tutorial, please give me a little thumbs up on this video and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate all of your support. I have many more do-it-yourself tutorials coming at you, so please stay tuned.